Here's today's top story. Android 17 QPR1 Beta 7 rolling out for Pixel. Following the last release 2 weeks ago, Android 17 QPR1 Beta 7 is rolling out today for Pixel devices. Android 17 QPR1 Beta 7 includes the July 2026 security patch and resolves the following issues. Battery share from quick settings failed to start charging or repeatedly displayed the charging animation. Issue number 476443126, issue number 477627747, issue number 480701245, issue number 484322291, issue number 488473799, issue number 50172939, issue number 500638463. Turning off Wi-Fi created an empty gap between the battery and mobile data icons in the quick settings status bar. Issue number 517178332, a crash in the quick settings font size controller that prevented users from adjusting their text size from the quick access panel. Issue number 531915405, issue number 530312544. You can report issues via the Android Beta Feedback app on Pixel devices. Access it from the application drawer or quick settings to file bugs in Google's issue tracker. There's also the Android Beta community on Reddit. CP31.26062.005 Android 17 QPR1 Beta 7 system images are available for the Pixel 6a, Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro, Pixel 7a, Pixel Tablet, Pixel Fold, Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, Pixel 8a, Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Pixel 9a, Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, Pixel 10 Pro Fold, and Pixel 10a, as well as the Android Emulator. You can easily join via the Android Beta program to get an on-device OTA. FTC, we use income-earning auto-affiliate links. More. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.